right, so many of you were not very enthusiastic about my front splitter and wanted to know what the heck I was thinking. Well, it's going to start coming together once you see what I have in mind. Now, to put a pacifier in the situation, or basically to kind of see how everything's going to come together, I like this product right here.
Aha!
EZLip. Now, I had a blue one on the front of my car for probably a year, and it's an easy product to install, and it just looks really good. So the intention was to do a side splitter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these EZLips on. I'll go over the instructions and how to do it in a minute, onto the side, and this way you guys are going to see that how everything is going to start coming together. And then the front splitter will be a whole separate video, because I have something I think is going to be good for the front splitter. So let's get to it. So basically you want your water, then some dry cloth here, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to clean the bottom area nice and good so that the 3M tape from the EZLip sticks no problem. And this is a relatively easy install. Basically, there's a little tape here, and you just peel it off and stick it on. But you want the surface as clean as possible. So that's what we're gonna do. Now I'm sitting here deciding whether I should film me cleaning. It's kind of a boring process. So now that I have this all cleaned up, it's also worth noting that you're going to want scissors. And the reason why is because you're going to want to cut off the excess that you're not going to use. So really, let's roll this thing out. And also note that you should really try doing this on a really nice day. Take your time, and basically it's just going to stick just like that. And I want to push it kind of up against my ZL1 shade. So yeah. Alright. So I just do it a little bit at a time, and I'm going to press it. I'm not going to do it too hard either. Just want to make sure that I'm getting it in the right spots here. Yeah, that looks good. And again, this is an EZLip. It's a nice subtle little touch, not too expensive. it's a fairly easy uninstall, guys. My EZLip that I had on my front lip was pretty easy to take off. And there you go. So now I just have to take and cut that off. So I think that looks slick. So now I'm gonna really press down, make sure that it's in there before I do any permanent cutting. Yeah, that looks good. In case I didn't mention this, make sure you're doing it on a nice day. I probably did mention it, but you want to do it on a nice hot day. This way the 3M is sticking. All right, so now we're going to do a little cutting. And there you go.
Nice.
And I'll do the same on the other side. That's a wrap.